Hey everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with ChatGPT's Sora AI image generator, which is now free to use. Cisco unveils quantum networking chip and opens new lab. Starlink receives government clearance to offer satellite internet in India. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, ultra slim design with ceramic build. Apple plans AI-powered search integration in Safari. AI's advancement accompanied by increased hallucinations. And finally, about ESA and ISRO collaborate on human space exploration. Coming to the news section, in yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of ROM? Answer is read-only memory. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Which programming language is known as the language of the web? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news, we have OpenAI, which has made its Sora AI image generator freely accessible to users. Sora allows users to create images from text prompt, generating visuals that range from realistic to abstract. Now, this move democratized access to advanced AI-powered features, the creative tools, enabling artists, designers, and enthusiasts to experiment with something new with image generations without cost barriers. As AI-generated art gains popularity, so OpenAI's decision to offer Sora for the free could accelerate innovation and creativity in digital art and design. Moving on, we have Cisco Systems, which has introduced a prototype chip designed to network quantum computers, alongside the opening of a new quantum research lab. So the research lab is based in Santa Monica, California. Talking about chips, the chip utilizes technology similar to existing networking chips and aims to link smaller quantum computers into larger, more powerful systems. Beyond computing, potential applications include synchronizing financial trades and enhancing the scientific researches. Developed in collaboration with the University of California, Santa Barbara, the chip leverages quantum entanglement to enable instantaneous communications between quantum systems. So while still in the prototype phase, this development positions various things, Cisco at the forefront of quantum networking innovations. Let us move on to Starlink, Elon Musk's satellite internet venture, which has obtained initial approval from the Indian government to provide satellite-based internet services in the country. Now, this clearance marks a significant step towards enhancing internet connectivity in remote and under-reserved regions of India. So, by leveraging a network of low Earth orbit satellites, Starlink aims to deliver high-speed internet access across the nation, potentially transforming digital infrastructure and bridging the connectivity gap in rural areas. Next, we have Samsung, which is set to launch the Galaxy S25 Edge, a smartphone that combines ultra-slim design with enhanced durability. Measuring just 5.84mm in thickness and weighing 162 grams, it's poised to be one of the Samsung's slimmest, lightest devices. The phone features a ceramic back panel and an aluminum frame, offering both aesthetic appeal and scratch resistance. Equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 12GB RAM, and a 3900 mAh battery, it promises robust performance. Talking about camera setup, it includes 200MP primary sensor and 12MP ultra-wide lens, ensuring high-quality photography. Available in titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to launch in April 2025. Apple is planning a significant overhaul of its Safari web browser by integrating AI-powered search features, a move that poses a major threat to Google's dominant position in search advertising market. During testimony in an antitrust case against Alphabet, Apple executive Eddie Q revealed that the company is exploring changes to Safari, which includes incorporating AI search providers such as OpenAI and Perplexity AI. Now, this announcement led to a sharp 7.6% drop in Alphabet's share price, erasing over $150 billion in the market value. The decline underscores mounting concerns that AI-driven search technologies could disrupt the Google stronghold. Safari searches have already declined, signaling a possible shift in user behavior. Despite the threat, Google is attempting to adapt by introducing an AI mode to its search platform, and it is negotiating with Apple to implement its Gemini AI in upcoming iPhones. Currently, Google pays Apple about $20 billion annually to remain default search engine on Safari, a significant portion of its mobile search and revenue. Artificial intelligence systems, they are becoming more powerful, but their tendency to produce incorrect and fabricated information known as hallucinations is also increasing. Recent report highlights that advanced AI models, including those from OpenAI and Google, they are generating more errors even as their capabilities expand. For instance, an AI chatbot from Cursor, a tool for programmers, falsely informed users about a non-existent policy change, leading to confusion and cancellation. These hallucinations stem from AI's reliance on predicting word sequence based on vast data without a true understanding of factual accuracy. In some tests, newer AI systems exhibited hallucination rates as 79%. This underscores the need for improved methods to ensure AI reliability, especially as these systems become more integrated into daily tasks. Last but not the least, the ESA, yani here repeat, the European Space Agency and the Indian Space Research Organization, they have signed a joint statement of intent to collaborate on human space exploration. Announced at the Global Space Exploration Conference, that is GLEX 2025, this partnership aims to explore large-scale space operations, including potential development in India's planned space station, the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, which is set to launch by 2028. ESA Director General Joseph emphasized the significance of this collaboration, marking a new chapter in ESA-ISRO relations. The agreement paves the way for joint missions and shared technological advancements, strengthening international cooperation in space exploration. This was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all the tech updates. Last but not the least, the ESA, yani here repeat,